Hello everybody, this is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today I have a video on a brand new 26 Grand Design Imagine 2970 RL. Stats are going to pop up at the beginning of the video. We're going to take you around the outside, get you on the inside. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So starting off at the front, you're going to notice, well, the sun's pretty darn bright today. You're going to notice the LED is running up the front cap here. We'll have our rock guard up in the front. Spot for the battery is going to be in the back here, and then you'll have your 220-pound propane tanks up front, along with your power tongue jack. Now the battery and the battery is installed and the propane is filled at the time of purchase. Coming on around, so you'll actually see a large amount of pass-through storage here. Again, I could crawl in there, I could sleep. We'll have some more information on the opposite side, such as our tire link. Battery and solar disconnect are going to be back here, as well as our outdoor shower hookup, city water, tank fill, and of course we'll have some cable attachments back here as well. Coming on down, well actually you'll see our furnace and hot water heater as I just walk past them. 50 amp service plug-in. We'll get a look at the wheels and the tires. This is a double axle. Slide number 1. And then coming around to the back here. So you've heard us mention it in our videos before, but you do have your ladder to get up on the roof to clean off the slides, any debris in your slides. And you also are prepped for a backup camera. Large window in the back here to, overlook the, depending on where you're parked or how you have it parked, overlook the lake, overlook the fire here, make sure kids are safe. Hitch from the factory, so you do have a maximum load capacity of 250 pounds. Slide number 2 on this side. So this does have, and it's a little bit cold out, so we're trying to get our videos out while we can here before the snow and the impending cold comes. But you do have 2 power awnings on this unit with LED light strips down below. But I do want to emphasize a lot of windows on this unit to let in that natural light. So you do have your travel with confidence, anti-lock brakes, and your tire link, tire pressure monitoring system. As I mentioned, I was going to cover that once we go over to the right over here. And the box for that should be on the inside somewhere, but your TPMS is going to sit right here, and then we'll have that outdoor shower attachment, that hose. GFCI outlet up in the top left there, but again, lots of storage down below. Let's head on inside. I almost bum rushed my cameraman. Coming on in. So opposing slides, you're going to notice that right away to really open up this room. But the first thing that's also going to catch your eyes, you actually do have a center island. So I'm going to start back here and work my way forward. So first things first, you do have a hide-a-bed underneath. So if you are going to sleep another guest or two, you always have that option. Plenty of storage up above, and this runs the full length here. We'll get a look at the shades here. So you do have your blackout shades to really blacken this out if you want to watch a movie or a scary movie with your friends. Just sitting down and just doing an overview of everything here too. I mentioned it as soon as I walked in. I mean, you have a massive amount of space in here. No one's going to be shoulder to shoulder charging anybody, anything like that, but getting on up before I fall asleep. I had a steak for lunch today, so I'm going to fall asleep at some point. Lots of storage down below. GFCI outlets and device charging outlets on both sides. And then coming on over. So if I'm watching TV, these are really, you probably saw my big fat ass just kind of slip into the recliner here. Very comfortable. Pardon me for cursing. These are recliners, so I can relax. I can watch my TV. That TV is actually on an electric system here, so that's going to electronically come up the way I have it now. But when it's down, you have a lot more counter space. So looking forward, you'll have the JBL sound system, and there's that TV up and down. You can kind of see what we're working with here. But for the sake of the video, I won't go any further than that. Plugins are going to be down below, and then you also do have your electric fireplace, which is also a source of heat. More storage up above. And again, if you're watching this video, this blends in seamlessly when the TV's down, so you can really visualize actually how much counter space you have. Moving on forward, I've actually had information hover in the past, so I'll kind of have my cameraman hover over some of the information, such as warranty, what Grand Design is about. So feel free to pause and get a little bit more information. Moving on forward. More storage cubbies here, small one there, but moving on over. These are soft close drawers, by the way. So plenty of storage here, and the third one down below is going to be the exact same. But 3-burner cooktop. We'll get a look at that oven. And then this is kind of the pegboard for everything. So can't remember exactly what this is for. Maybe a workout or making sure nothing goes, you know, jumbling around. I'm sure I'll get roasted in the comments for that one, but let me know. I know I've heard it before. Take a look at the microwave. Some storage off to the right. And then actually looking at the backsplash, it's a really nice backsplash for this. Oops. Fridge and freezer. But I'm kind of bypassing the center island here, so we'll have our trash can sitting there, and a little bit more space, and our pull-out cutting board. Lots of storage down below. Again, soft close drawers. And the third one's going to be the exact same. Now, coming on over actually, so you'll notice on the side here, you'll have a GFCI outlet sitting there. We'll get a look at the pantry. Lots of room to work with there. Solid surface countertops as well. Lots of storage there. And in the front. So, and of course you do have your seating area here. Very nice. I think it's pretty luxury, very comfortable. Lots of room for guests. So instead of that booth dinette or anything like that, you actually have your freestanding chairs, which I really like. Fuse relay box is going to be down below. Our control board's going to be right here along with our thermostat, fire extinguisher for safety there. Moving on into the bathroom. Bathroom, you'll have plenty of space on the counter. We'll kind of get a look at some of the stuff that we're working with here. Again, all these drawers are going to be the same. This little medicine cabinet, as I'm stepping in the shower to show this, but hey, that's all right. Foot flush toilet down below. Shower test. I'm 6'1", so I don't got to worry. I got plenty of room. Nice little spot for our coats. And then moving on into the bedroom. Now this is going to be pretty standard from what you've seen before. So this one, you'll actually have your shades different from what's in the living room. But we'll have some storage there. Nice his and her storage. The nice thing I like about Grand Design storage, especially for the beds here, is you'll have device charging outlets and a little bit of storage on both the left and right side. We'll have our assisted bed with a little bit more storage down below. Our power cord, so a great place to put gym bags, suitcases, backpacks. This is where your second AC is going to be as well, so that you'll see that above my head. Plenty of room for stuff up above. And then you'll see the same exact storage that you saw on the one side there. We'll have some there. GFCI outlets there. And then to the left here, TV backer location. So if you wanted to put your TV in here, you can definitely do that. Sorry if I just burst anybody's eardrums, but plenty of storage, more clothes. Plenty of room for socks, underwear. All the human stuff that we got to do. So coming back out here, actually, you know what? I may have just messed with the camera, but you do have a dimmer light in here, so you know what I mean. Coming back out here, doing one final view. Again, opposing slides, so really opening up that room. I really like the interior that they did with this. The backsplash, it blends together perfectly. So a great unit to take out on your next summer adventure. So my name's Nate over at Bullion RV. That's going to do it for this video. All of my information is going to be in the description box down below. So feel free to call me, email me, text me. I'm happy to help answer any questions, as well as set up an appointment with anyone who is watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Help Bullion RV get to 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Once again, thank you everybody for watching. This is Nate over at Bullion RV. We'll catch you in the next one.